All right. Hello, everyone. This is Ben. I'm the current tenant for apartment 1 on 224 Cambridge Street. I am right outside the apartment right now. Just to give you all a quick frame of reference, I am on the second floor right now, and you can see the stairs going down there. That is the main entrance to the building. That's also where the mail is, and it has your standard buzzer. Just as a quick reference, on the first floor is a Starbucks, and starting on the second floor, which is where we're at, is the beginning of the residential units, and there are 4 floors total. All right, so I'm just gonna walk into the apartment, and we're immediately greeted by the living room here. As you can see, I'm just gonna do a quick side by side so you guys can get the full picture of the living room here. I'm just gonna start walking over to the right, and there are 2 bedrooms here. The bedroom on the right, they're all about the same size in terms of the square footage, and they each come with their own closets here. So I'm just gonna walk outside and back into the living room area and go into the second bedroom. So these 2 bedrooms are side by side, and this one has a chimney. This one is sealed off though, so no outside air is going to come in during the winter time. And this one also has a closet here. All right, going back into the living room here. So this place has 2 bathrooms total. The 2 bedrooms that I just showed you shared this bathroom. I'm just gonna quickly step inside, and it's just your typical bathroom here. The light and fan switch is outside. Nothing too special or unique about that. Next, I'm gonna walk you through to the kitchen. It does have stainless steel appliances, so there's your typical stove oven combination, as well as a dishwasher, and a stainless steel fridge. And next, I'm gonna go into the 3rd bedroom here. This bedroom has its own private bathroom. It's still roughly about the same size in terms of the actual room square footage compared to the other rooms. This one does have its own closet here as well. Just quickly open that door. It's just a small closet, nothing too special or fancy about it. And it has its own private bathroom here. Just a shower stall, not a bathtub, as well as the toilet and the sink. So just gonna slowly walk through this bedroom here one more time. And for reference, this is a queen size bed here, just to give you all a frame of reference in terms of how much space a bed is going to take up. And we're back into the living room. I would estimate this entire unit to be about 1,000 square feet, give or take, just to give you all a sense of how large the apartment is.